Okay guys, this is episode 3 of How to Make a Monster Puppet. Let's do it!
I made a nose out of a aluminum foil can and just hot glued it on there. It's actually not dead on, but it will do. Holding up some shape with tin foil and duct tape. We shall see how well this works. So the final step will be to put on feathers, which should be the fun part. So there it is so far. And from behind, it's looking like this. So I had to use an X-Acto knife and cut that hole just so I could get my hand in there. But besides that, I'm just trying to solidify it with duct tape and shape it with aluminum foil. So I'm just, the best way to see this is at the back, where I've built up lots of aluminum foil and duct tape. And I'm building sort of a rounded shape. So how his head is round, I'm trying to do the same here. So my new goal is to maybe do some eyebrow type things on there and then start adding the feathers, which I'm excited to do. All right, the eyebrows. So I built up some eyebrows and hopefully that'll give it a little more of an interesting shape. But let's see, I have to build back in behind the eyebrows with some aluminum foil. But yeah, there he is. Okay, so started to add some feathers to it. Okay, so I'm trying to build a mechanism so that when he opens his mouth, it exposes his teeth. So it does go up, but it's not coming back down that far. So originally, now that I've added the felt, it doesn't seem to be coming down properly. So I am going to have to play with that. And I had to cut off his nose because it was hitting the felt. But there we go. A little system here. Okay, so the nose had to go, but it's starting to work sort of like how I had in mind. So it covers up the teeth and then exposes them when you make it angry. So I just had to make a little mechanism to do so. Rah, 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 rah. So I'm somewhat happy with it. We'll see once we get the feathers on and the design. And I actually like it better without the nose. Okay guys, so here is the pattern I did on the eyes. I wanted people's eyes to be drawn into it. And I'm gonna put the brown fur around the rest of the puppet, all the way down to there. So wish me luck. I'm heading back in with the glue gun. I have a fan in there and an open window so there's no fumes getting me, and I advise you do the same. Okay guys, so I did the around the eyes and then I did around that, and this is sort of what I have right now. I think I'm gonna call a day. Here, let's see if I can do this while filming. So this is sort of, he's cute and then the teeth come. So I will work on this again tomorrow, but it's starting to come together.
Hi guys, thanks for watching episode 3 of How to Make a Monster Puppet. I will be working on the puppet and do another episode very shortly. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.